Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today in this video, I will teach you how to convert from the improper fraction to mixed number without using multiplication and division. Let's start. Okay, so let's say I give you here 15 over 8. Okay, before we proceed, I will explain detail about fraction. Okay, so here we call it numerator. Okay, and the bottom part we call it denominator. All right. Okay, all right. Now, how to convert from the improper fraction to mixed number? Okay. Now, you see here, you see at the denominator, number 8, right? So, you just minus numerator with the denominator first, okay? So, 15, you minus with number 8. So, 15 minus 8, 7, right? Okay, so you put 7 over, copy back number 8, 8. How many times you minus? Only 1, right? So, 1, 7 over 8. Alright, okay, one more. Okay, let's say I give you here 12 over 5. Okay, so now, first you minus 12, always minus with the denominator. So your denominator is number 5, right? So 12 minus 5, 7, right? Okay, so now 7 minus 5, 2, right? So how many times you minus? 2 times. So that means 2 over 5. Easy? Okay, next. Alright. Okay, let's say I give you 4 over 3. Okay, so now number 4 minus with the number 3. So 4 minus 3, you will have 1, right? So how many times you minus? 1. So you put 1 over 3. Okay? Alright. One more. Okay, let's say I give you 24, alright, over 7. Alright? Now, how to convert from the improper fraction to the mixed number. So now, 24, you minus with 7. So, how many you got here? How many? 17. Correct? So now, okay, how many times you do the, subtraction? 1 time. So put 1 here first, okay? So then 17, you minus again with 7. So you will have 10. You replace here 2. Okay? So 10, you minus with 7, you will have 3. So how many times you do the subtraction? 3 times. You put 3. So what is the last number you subtract? 3, right? So 3 over 7. Okay? Alright. Okay. Now, one more. Let's say I give you, 9 over 5. Alright? So, numerator minus with denominator. Okay? So, 9, you minus with 5. You will have 4. Correct? So, how many times you subtract? Only 1 time. So, you put 1 here. 4 over 5. Easy? Simple, right? Okay. One more. Okay. So, let's say I give you 9 over 4. Alright. So, now, first you take 9, you minus this 4, you will have 5, correct? So 5, you minus with 4, you will have 1. So how many times you do the subtraction? 2 times. So you put 2. The last number you subtract here, okay, you take number 1. So you will have 1/4. Easy? Okay. Alright. Now, okay, let's say I pick any number, okay? Alright, I give you here 10/7. Alright, so you take the top number, you minus with the bottom number. So, 10, you minus with 7. So you will have 3. So number 3, you cannot minus with 7, correct? So you stop until here. So how many times you do the subtraction? Only 1 time. So you put 1. Okay, so copy back this number, 3/7. Easy? Alright, I give you another 2 or 3 example. Okay, so now I give you, let's say, 23/6. Okay, let's say, okay? So 23 you minus with 6. Okay, so how many? 17, correct? So now 17 you minus again with 6, you will have 11. So 11 you minus 6, you will have 5. So 5 cannot minus with 6. So this is the final answer here. How many times you do the subtraction? 3 times. So 3/5/6. Okay? Okay. So last one, I think. Okay, so I give you, let's say, 15. 15/4. Okay, over 4. Alright? So 15 you minus with 4, you will have how much? 11. So 11 you minus with 4, you have 7, correct? Alright, so now 7 you minus with 4, you will have 3. Okay, so how many times you do the subtraction? 3 times. So 3/4. Okay? Alright, that's all for today. I think this one is for the kids still not memorize the multiplication. You can use this method. Alright, inshallah. So please subscribe my channel, my video, so I will upload latest video, inshallah. Thank you.